Hi friends, today we are unboxing Hesley's luxury hairdryer HD01. On the box what we can see is like there's a branding for Hesley, uh, a picture of the product. Over here we have the amount. What we can see is like German design quality, cool short knob with concentrator, foldable handle, hanging loop, 3 heat settings with 2 speed. Okay, now let's open the box. Okay, now what we can see is like we are just unboxing and we are taking the product out of the box. So here we have some important instructions for use, some important safeguards, storage, and this is the warranty card. Over here, okay, this looks premium. It has a foldable handle, so it gives a very premium look, a premium feel. Okay, so it says it also has a 1400 watt of lightweight DC motor that dries hair faster, possibly that leaves hair healthier. Now it has a very sleek and compact design, as we can see, okay, with a folding handle which makes it very easy, to carry while you travel. It also has a, as we can see, we also can see here, it's a true cool shoot button that locks the curls and waves and styles. Okay, as we can see, it also has a removal concentrator, which concentrate heat to certain area, to the targeted portion of the hair. Okay, we can see it has a cool button, low heat. Oh wow, it has a very good velocity of heat. It also has a hanging loop, and it has 1.75 meters of cord, making it easier and convenient to use. Overall, the product is premium, and I think it's a value for money.